Every few years, the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, goes through a system-wide exam of all the medical devices that it's approved over the years. And certainly, that's got to apply to plastic surgeons. You guys use a lot of devices. How is it going to change your life, or does it make it better or worse?
You know, I really think that the FDA has completely changed over the last few years. It used to be an us against them, from a company to a physician to a device perspective, and to the FDA. It's a different world right now. A company sits down with the FDA prior to approval. They lay out what needs to be done to get this approved. In the past, the company would do all these studies, and then they would go to the FDA with their device, and the FDA would say, well, you forgot this, and this. Doesn't happen anymore. Under Scott Gottlieb, the FDA, head of the FDA, I think they're doing a really good job nowadays.
Yeah, I think that's potentially a great development, because there certainly has been an element of regulatory capture in the past, which isn't good for anyone. And by that, basically what we're talking about is, you know, using the FDA, if a company already has a device, to potentially suppress a competing device from getting into the market. And the process has always been more murky than it should be, so if we can get to a transparent situation, that's going to be great for our patients, great for our practices.
You know, on the device side, I know a number of the FDA guys because they come to the laser meeting. I mean, they're at the same audience listening to the same talks. I mean, they're smart. They know what's going on now. They're super smart people. They understand the industry. They understand the devices. And they know when someone's trying to pull the wool over their eyes. They know when something's crap or not. And I think they're doing a way better job than they had in the past.
I think you're absolutely right. Though I still think it would be nice if we had perhaps a little bigger information. Sometimes devices get approved with a very small number of individuals in the trial, and then perhaps you get a little discovery down the road that it wasn't quite what it looked like it was going to be.
Well, you know, part of it is that they were trying to see if it's safe. Right. They weren't really looking at the efficacy as much as the safety of it. I think they're kind of going back and forth now that people are making claims. They want to make sure that the claims are correct. You've seen some recent things in the news about the FDA with that. I mean, they're going after false claims. I think they're really, you know, cleaning up their act.
If you'd like any more information, please go to theplasticsurgerychannel.com.